The famous Vilvashkatam extols the virtues of the Vilva leaf and Shiva's love for it. But why is the Vilva so revered? By common knowledge, we know that the tree has been held sacred for many millennia and offerings made to Shiva are incomplete without Vilva leaves. There are many symbolisms attributed to this leaf. The trifoliate leaves or the Tripatra are believed to represent the various trinities, creation, preservation and destruction, or the three gunas or qualities of Sattva, Rajas and Tamas, or the three syllables that make Om, the primordial sound that resonates Shiva's essence. The three leaves are also considered to indicate the three eyes of Lord Shiva or the Trishul, the emblematic weapon.
Mandar, the mountain, was a great devotee of Parvati because of her kindness and the fact that she was the daughter of the king of mountains. Parvati lived with her husband Shiva on Mount Kailash, but Mandar longed for her presence on his mountain. One day, Shiva and Parvati danced for many hours on end. Finally, tired, Parvati stopped to rest, wiping the sweat off her forehead with her hand. The droplets fell on Mandar and a sapling sprang up there, growing taller and stronger, until it became a beautiful tree within a few months. Nobody had ever seen this tree before. Each of its twigs sprouted 3 leaves and it also bore fruit. Mandar took some twigs to Parvati. When he met her, he asked, "This tree was born of your sweat. What must I do with it?" Parvati looked at the twigs and the leaves thoughtfully. "What a wonderful tree!" she exclaimed. The 3 leaves indicate the 3 eyes of Lord Shiva and the 3 stages of all existence: birth, the journey of life and death. They also represent 3 realms: heaven, earth and the world below. So 3 is an auspicious number. She beamed at Mandar and continued, "Your faith and devotion pleases me. This tree will be called the Bilva tree, and the leaves Bilva Patra. Everyone must pray to Shiva with these leaves. And since we are inseparable, worshipping in this manner also means worshipping me. You will always have the Bilva tree on your mountain." Mandar couldn't contain his happiness and prostrated himself before the beautiful goddess. His prayers had been answered. This is why Bilva leaves are used as an offering to Shiva even today.